Well, good morning, Jaginder Rana here. Product of the day is a regulatory sandbox for insurance products. A regulatory sandbox for insurance products. The insurance sector has traditionally witnessed gradual and conservative developments. However, the swift progression of technology and evolving customer demands have compelled insurance providers to seek fresh product and service delivery approaches. So, igniting a revolution in the industry is innovation landscape. The concept of regulatory sandbox for the insurance industry has become a pivotal mechanism to promote innovation. It offers insurers a controlled environment to experiment with the novel insurance offerings. So the regulatory sandbox within the insurance domain is allowed. Let us examine the advantages, hurdles and potential transformative effect that may exert on the sector. Because a regulatory sandbox is a controlled environment where businesses can test innovative products, services, business models or delivery mechanisms under regulatory supervision. So the primary goal is encouraging innovation while ensuring consumer protection and regulatory compliance. Regulatory authorities such as insurance regulators provides a framework where insurers can experiment with new ideas and concepts without facing the total regulatory burden. So within the insurance industry, regulatory sandbox serves as a conducive environment where insurers can introduce and experiment with novel insurance products, innovative pricing models, alternative distribution methods, and technology-driven solutions. So, facilitating a dynamic bridge between conventional insurance practices and contemporary customer-centric approaches. As far as benefits of regulatory sandbox for insurance is concerned, let's say this will encouraging innovation. The establishment of the regulatory sandbox cultivates an encouraging atmosphere that empowers insurance companies to explore uncharted territory and engage in the experimentation of the inventive concepts. This nurturing environmental nurtures a culture of innovation within the sector, ultimately propelling the advancement of fresh insurance products and services. With faster time to market, traditional regulatory processes can be lengthy and cumbersome. Sandboxes expedite the approval process, allowing insurers to bring their products to market faster, respond to emerging risks, and adapt to changing customer needs swiftly. Then customer-centric solutions. Sandboxes enables insurers to develop products more aligned with customer preferences and needs. This can result in creating insurance products that are more affordable, customizable, and better suited to individual policyholders. Insurers can work closely with the regulatory authorities within the sandbox environments. This helps regulators better understand emerging technologies and business models, leading to better informed and more agile regulations. Risk mitigation is also possible with this because the controlled nature of sandboxes limits the potential harm that untested innovations could cause consumers or the industry. Regulatory oversight ensures that consumer protection remains a top priority. As far as challenges and considerations are concerned, while a regulatory sandbox offers significant advantages, they also come with challenges and considerations that needs to be addressed. Say, for example, data privacy and security. Data privacy and security. So insurers often handle sensitive customer data when testing new products. Ensuring data privacy and security is paramount. Sandboxes must have robust protocol to safeguard customer information. Then regulatory oversight. Striking the right balance between regulatory oversight and providing freedom for innovation can be challenging. Regulators must ensure they have the expertise and resources to oversee sandbox activities effectively. And gradual transition. Moving from the sandbox to full-scale implementation can be complex. Insurers must have clear exit strategies and transition plans to ensure a smooth shift from the experimental phase to mainstream operations. Then fair competition. Regulators must ensure that participation in sandbox creates a balanced playing field, giving sandbox participants unfair advantages over traditional insurers. Consumer education. As new and innovative insurance products enter the market, consumers must have adequately educated to make informed decisions about their insurance coverage. So several innovative insurance products and concepts have been tested within regulatory sandbox around the world, because usage-based insurance, a system that entails the monitoring of driving behavior through telematics devices, has undergone testing to facilitate the development of highly customized auto insurance policies. Within this framework, insurance providers have the ability to dynamically adjust their premiums in accordance with the individual policyholders' actual driving habits, thereby incentivizing the promoting safer driving practices. Peer-to-peer insurance. The concept pertains to the formation of collectives wherein policyholders unite to consolidate their premiums and collectively distribute the associated risks. Regulatory sandboxes have functioned as experimental grounds, allowing insurers to explore the model in depth with the focus on assessing its potential for cost reduction and heightened transparency in the insurance landscape. Then blockchain-based insurance. So blockchain technology has given rise to smart contracts which streamline the claim processing procedures and mitigate the risk of fraudulent activities. This regulatory sandbox has played a pivotal role in offering a controlled environment for assessing the viability and security of these innovative solutions. So in response to the escalating prevalence of cyber threats, insurance companies have harnessed regulatory sandboxes as testing environment to conceive and evaluate innovative cyber insurance products tailored to combat the ever-evolving landscape of risk and vulnerabilities in the digital realm. So the introduction of a regulatory sandbox has the potential to bring about significant changes in the insurance industry. Sandboxes promote competition by lowering barriers to entry for new insurers and innovative products. This can result in more competitive pricing and better value for customers. Innovative products developed in sandboxes can lead to a more personalized and convenient customer experience, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. So the ability to test new risk assessment and pricing models can lead to more accurate underwriting, reducing insurers' exposures to unexpected losses. Regulatory authorities that engage with sandbox gain insights into emerging technologies and business models. So this can lead to the development of more flexible and forward-thinking regulations. Means regulatory sandbox has emerged as a vital tool for fostering innovation in the insurance industry. They provide a controlled environment where insurers can experiment with new products and services while ensuring consumer protection and regulatory compliance. So the benefits of sandboxes include encouraging innovations, speeding up time to market, and promoting consumer-centric solutions. However, data privacy, regulatory oversight, and fair competition as challenges must be addressed. So the examples of innovation or innovative insurance products tested in sandboxes demonstrate the diverse possibilities that emerge with this approach. As Sandbox continues to evolve, they have the potential to bring about significant changes in the insurance industry, including increased competition, enhanced customer experience, and improved risk management. Ultimately, regulatory sandboxes promise a more innovative and customer-focused future for the insurance sector. The regulatory sandbox is an opportunity for India to be a role model for innovations because the recently announced framework for regulatory sandbox by Reserve Bank of India is a progressive and much needed step. Consider yourself as a founder of a fintech startup that has developed a mobile app for farmers that allows him to track local weather updates, purchase seeds, crop insurance, commodity or put options, and manage his cash flows from sales. So this app could be a one-stop solution for many needs of a farmer, and with technology innovations, it's feasible. However, before it can be launched, the fintech startup would need to get regulatory approvals and comply with necessary conditions. So often the challenge for fintech startups is that regulation does not simply or explicitly cover what they plan to do since it's a completely new product or service. Ambiguity around governing regulations hampers innovations and ability to scale. So a regulatory sandbox is a useful tool for regulator and fintech innovators for such situations where there is absence of governing regulations or there may be need to modify existing regulations because proposed innovation shows promise of ease to customers in a significant way. A regulatory sandbox is a safe space which allows regulators to facilitate small scale tests by temporarily relaxing certain regulations to control or to collect empirical evidence while containing risks. So the fintech revolution in India is the product of international regulatory innovations with the regulatory sandbox concept at its core. The framework serves as testing ground for financial products, fundamentally reshaping India's financial ecosystem. A regulatory sandbox, in essence, constitutes a controlled environment wherein firms may evaluate novel financial products with actual consumers under relaxed regulatory conditions. So this concept, while straightforward, holds significant potential. It facilitates innovations while simultaneously mitigating associated risk. So over the last few years, India has emerged as a hotbed of innovations and entrepreneurship in the financial technology space. Over 2,000 fintech companies have set up operations in India since 2013, with the country ranking second globally in fintech adoptions. So the provisions related to regulatory sandbox in a major boost to innovation in insurance. The insurance regulator will review innovative and experimental product filings every month and approve them without delay. This is part of the reforms the regulator has brought in norms pertaining to regulatory sandbox, which were originally introduced by the IRDAI in 2019. So now the market is ready, and the insurance sector has traditionally witnessed gradual and conservative developments. However, the swift progression of technology and evolving customer demands have compelled insurance providers to seek fresh product and service delivery approaches, igniting a revolution in the industry's innovation landscape. So the concept of a regulatory sandbox for the insurance industry has become a pivotal mechanism to promote innovation. It offers insurers a controlled environment to experiment with novel insurance offerings. So let the regulatory sandbox come in the market. A regulatory sandbox is a controlled environment where businesses can test innovative products, services, business models, or delivery mechanisms under regulatory supervision. Thank you. Thank you very much.